Services Cooperative is because I believe that this is a cooperative that all Filipino online professionals own, control, and manage.
So, the reason kaya po ako sumali sa POPSCO, kailangan natin ng isang sistema at isang samahan na makakatulong sa bawat isa.
This cooperative is a group na pwede silang sumama para mas magabayan sila sa kanilang freelancing journey.
Ako sumali dihan sa POPSCO kasi para makabuligak sa ato kapwa mga freelancers, and ito talaga ang passion and my mission.
I joined POPSCO kasi for me, lahat ng ginagawa ko sa POPSCO is a privilege to siya tinitignan eh. Kasi once in a lifetime in history na bigyan ka ng chance na mag-contribute.
Stepping stone na rin to para maabot yung goal
ko. The vision of the organization aligns with my personal vision, which is to develop and nurture an organization within Zamboanga City that provides much needed support for our online workers.
I joined FOPSCO because the people I've met have the same values, vision, and mission as mine, and that is to provide assistance to those who would like to jumpstart their career as a freelancer.
One of the reasons why I joined FOPSCO is because as a freelancer, I think it's important for us to have access to training, whether free or paid.
Wanted our individual reputations to have a collective reputation for excellence.
I wanted to be part of an organization that would be a pioneer group of individuals who will be working to promote online freelancing here in the Philippines.
The reason why I joined this organization is that I saw their mission and vision towards helping all Filipino freelancers.
I choose FOPSCO because we learn and grow as a community to help also others.
Feel more safe and secure knowing that my knowledge and skills will only come from the most renowned and experienced online freelancers and raketeras here in the Philippines.
I joined FOPSCO because I saw the potential growth is not just reaching one's goals and being successful, but there is camaraderie.
I am very inspired with their achievements and advocacy in promoting and helping Filipino freelancers.
I want to join FOPSCO because of two things. Number one, I want to help freelancers to get a job. And number two, I want to learn more from you.
I hope that here we will all grow together.
We grow together.
All right. May I request to turn on your cameras, please? Thank you. Okay, so that's a big yes. We really are growing together. So welcome and good evening to all of you here in Zoom. And we are also live now on our FOPSCO FB page. All right, so maybe some of you are wondering what this is all about. Again, this is not a webinar, but rather a graduation ceremony. Okay, from their training entitled Photoshop Mastery from Zero to Hero, wherein they have experienced the hands-on activities and exercises of the following topics. First, they have experienced the familiarization, the introduction of Photoshop interface. Second was the mastering of pen tool. And then the third one was the power of masking. And then the fourth session was advanced way of background removal. And then the fifth session was the skin retouching and clothes recoloring. And then the final task was creating image banners. All right, so the said training runs every Tuesdays and Thursdays from July 24 and to August 25 at 6 p.m. Again, this training are for FOPSCO members who want to develop their skills in graphic design, since graphic design is a valuable skill in our work as a VA or as an online professional. And of course, Photoshop is one of the applications we use in graphic designing. Again, we would like to acknowledge the collaboration and the partnership of Payoneer and FAPSCO, or the Filipino Online Service Cooperative. Let me just remind you of the following house rule. Please put your phone on silence mode and then mute any noise that can interfere our webinar or our graduation ceremony rather. And of course, respect one another here and let's enjoy your graduation ceremony. All right, so I'm Janice Pagio, and I'll be your facilitator and you're in charge when it comes to the flow of the program. And now to start with our program proper, let me call on Ms. Charlene Del Rosario. Ms. Cha, are you here in our room? Ms. Charlene? Sir Mark? Ms. Charlene, andito po ba kayo? I guess she's not here. Wala pa ba?
Mukhang na-disconnect.
Because, yes, we are having some difficulties with our connection when it comes to our internet connectivity, but then we really have to pursue and let's get the ball rolling with our program. So I guess let's just pause a minute and then let's bow our head and let me just give you a couple of statements for the opening prayer. Okay, let me do it. So in the name of the Father, Son, the Holy Spirit, Amen. God, thank you for this opportunity na nakaabot kami in this particular time. And this is really a milestone for FAPSCO, especially the FAPSCO Academy, because this will be the first time na magkakaroon tayo ng batches of graduates in the FAPSCO Academy. And I hope na tuloy-tuloy pa itong mangyari. And thank you na nakaabot kami lahat dito and natapos itong aming training with the help of our trainer, with the help of our admins, and of course, yung aming participants. In Jesus' name, amen. Thank you. All right, so thank you for that time na binigay natin for our for that particular God, whoever, kung ano man ang ating paniniwala, it's okay, whatever is, may paniniwalaan tayo, something above us. All right, so please help me welcome the chairperson of FAPSCO, or the Filipino Online Service Cooperative, to give her opening message to all of us and for our viewers in the on our FAPSCO FB page. And please help me give a virtual clap here on Zoom for the opening message. For our opening for our opening message and opening remarks to Ms. Maria Rochefel Rivera. Thank you. Thank you for participating, guys. Ms. Roche?
Grabe.
All right, so Ms. Roche, go ahead.
Ang haba-haba, Dens. Bumbuo, Dens. Naririnig nyo na ba ako? Klaro na?
Yes, we can hear you, Ms. Roche.
Yes, maraming salamat, Dens, kasi medyo hindi maganda yung internet connection ko. 3 times na ako namamatay. So, nag-open ako ng another device. So, nakabukas din yung cellphone ko. Just in case na maputol yung nasa laptop, at least meron pa tayong cellphone. Alright? Thank you so much, everyone, for attending today's graduation. I'm so happy and I'm so proud na natapos kayo kasi isa to sa mga course na gusto kong kuhanin. Kaya lang, unfortunately, ang aking laptop ay ayaw ng tumanggap ng kahit anong additional application. So, sa susunod na batch, sasali ako. 'Di ba? At sana may time. Yun yung kulang na kulang sa atin, time. But kayo na nagpursige, binigyan nyo ng oras every day, ginawa nyo yung mga task. Nakita ko yung ibang mga outputs, sobrang gaganda. And sobrang proud ako kasi sabi nga ni Mark kanina, yung daw ibang mga enrollees talagang from zero knowledge sa Photoshop. Tapos for you to be able to, give an output such as that, napaka-remarkable, nakakatuwa, 'di ba? Magagamit niyo tong skill na to sa pag-o-offer ng services online. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy. Wag lang kayong aalis, wag lang kayong bibitew. In fact, nandito ang buong FAPSCO team to help you transition sa paghahanap ng kliyente. So kung kailangan nyo ng support, pag may mga tanong kayo na hindi kayo sigurado, pwede kayong pumunta sa FAPSCOM, yung Filipino Online Professionals Community. It's a Facebook it's a Facebook group of all online professionals na mga willing namang tumulong at willing sumagot sa inyo mga katanungan. Now, if you wanted more support than that, we are very much excited to have all of you at the Filipino Online Professionals Service Cooperative group, yung sa mismong group na natin na as a cooperative, as a member. So doon, mas makakatulong kami sa inyo in terms of marketing, in terms of more training such as this one, and ano pa ba? Yon. So kung kailangan nyo ng community na tutulong sa inyo, nandito lang kami, hindi kami aalis. We're here to stay. And again, congratulations everyone. And I'm hoping to see more of you and more of your output in the coming weeks or months. So yun lang, maraming salamat. We can proceed with our program. Masyado nang mahaba eh. Thank you.
All right, so thank you, Ms. Rosh. Finally, Ms. Cha is joining now on our webinar. In our graduation ceremony, rather. All right, so I guess this is what you are waiting for, the highlight of the program, the presentation of graduates. Again, graduates, are you ready? Because you really have to take pride in this opportunity or moment to take picture of your certificate on your screen. So kindly prepare your phone or mobile phone and then take this opportunity to have a screenshot or take a photo rather. So with this, let me just call on Ms. Angelique Pedroso for the presentation of the certificates. By the way, we are giving two kinds of certificates. First, certificate of participation, and then the second one is the certificate of completion. So let me just read the citation of that certificate. Ms. Jelic.
Wait, i-share ko lang yung screen ko.
Yes, thank you. Please share your video or your camera para naman makilala ka ng ating mga participants. Kasi you'd been with us for the whole training period. Siya yung ating humahawak ng technical team. Finally. All right, go ahead.
Nakikita niyo yung screen ko?
Starting to share. Ang nakikita namin...
There, kita na.
Wait. Yan.
Alright.
Sir Lens?
Yes, we can see certificate of completion to Cedric Salavaria rather. May I request for the music para naman mas alive yung ating presentation of certificates, Sir Mark?
Okay. Let me just share my screen.
All right. Okay. All right, for the certificate of completion, okay, let me just read the citation. Okay, so this is hereby awarded to, and then your name, for completing the 6-part webinar session entitled Photoshop Mastery from Zero to Hero, initiated by the Filipino Online Professional Service Cooperative, specifically FAPSCO Academy, held on July 24 to August 25, signed by our speaker, Martis Mana, and of course, FAPSCO Academy, Dennis Bipagio. And then for the certificate of participation, it is also, let me just read the citation also for the certificate of participation. Those are the participants that didn't make it to the whole or the 6 parts of exercises or the task. Because we are giving the certificate of completion for those 100% completion of the task. But for those certificate of participation are those who didn't make it to the completion of the task. So please, let's start the presentation of certificate rather. Go ahead, Ms. Angelique.
Salavaria. Blend that. Aida Myra Martinez. Ralph Mishra. Juan Artluman.
Michelle Sibingco. Pan Emerson de Castro.
Alright, so nakakatuwa naman. As you have seen on our screen, yung mismong certificate, and then after the slide of their certificate is their actual task or the final task that they have. Yung mismong creating of image banners. So nakakatuwa kasi we really showed what their task is all about. At saka yung mismong actual na ginawa nila. So nakakatuwa because that is actually the proof na mismong meron kayong output na nagawa. Okay, so thank you very much and let's now keep the momentum going. And by the way, thank you very much, Ms. Angelique, for the presentation of the certificates and also to Sir Mark, to our certificates of the new Photoshop Masters. So congratulations, guys. And now, to keep things going on, let me call Sir Van Emerson de Castro, Iope, for him to share some of the struggles or the challenges and then the experiences na naranasan niya with this particular training. Sir Van Emerson, can you hear us?
Yes po.
All right.
Can you hear everyone?
Yes, we can hear you, Sir Van. Go ahead.
Okay po. So yun po, isa pong napakagandang gabi po sa bawat isa po sa atin and maging ganyan din po sa mga nanonood po sa Facebook and if I'm not mistaken kahit po sa YouTube. So isa pong tagalakan para po sa akin to know na isa po ako doon sa mga makakagraduate dito po sa ating Photoshop Mastering from Zero to Hero na training. Dahil hindi ko po talaga ina-expect na aabot pa ako ng hanggang session 6. Dahil nga po sa mga struggles na, hindi naman talaga siya struggles, kundi kumbaga conflicts sa schedule. Sabi nga ni Ma'am Roch kanina, talagang isa sa mga kulang sa atin is yung time dahil din sa mga ginagawa natin. So share ko lang po yung mga naging karanasan ko po sa training po na ito. So ako po talaga ay wala po talagang ganung background when it comes to Photoshop. So meron akong mga alam na konting interface pero hindi ko siya kayang i-manipulate or makagawa ng isang output. Kumbaga po wala pang kumbaga kung i-rate yung sarili ko wala pa ako sa siguro 5% ng kasi puro head knowledge lang. Ito yung interface, ito yung nagagawa niya, pero yung experience na makagawa ka ng isang output or to use those tools, talagang zero talaga. And alam ko po na yung iba po sa atin na ganun din, wala rin po tayong experience talaga when it comes to Photoshop, kaya I'm very grateful po na maging part po talaga nitong training po na ito. So yung unang session, yung unang mga tasks, talagang nakaka-excite na gawin. Kasi ito na, gagamitin na namin yung mga tools na start kami na magkulay, start kami na mag-construct ng mga image, magpatong-patong ng mga layers para makabuo ng isang output. And sa bawat sa bawat task, sa bawat output na na-accomplish po namin, sa akin, nandun po talaga yung kasiyahan ko kasi nakikita ko mismo na wow, ako yung gumawa nito based dun sa kung ano yung natutunan ko dun sa training. And ayun din po yung isa sa mga kinagandahan po ng training po ng POPs ko. Hindi lamang po to basta theory lang, hindi lamang basta from head knowledge lang, kundi kailangan talaga merong output, merong basis yung knowledge mo, kailangan talaga merong proof na natuto ka talaga sa kanila. And yun po yung isa sa mga pinakamaganda pong part po ng po nito, ito pong training po na ito. Kasi nga po, tulad po nung naikwento ko, na-testify ko din noon na nung sa simula pa lang, yung sa orientation, yun nga, puro nood lang ako sa YouTube. Ayan, kaya puro head knowledge, tapos hindi naman ako nakagawa ng output. And habang tumatagal, pahirap yung pahirap yung mga task, pa-komplikado ng pa-komplikado, pero pa-exciting yung bawat ginagawa. So, aminado po ako, isa po ako dun sa mga nanood po sa YouTube ng maraming beses. Isa po ako dun para po mas maintindihan ko talaga kung ano po yung dapat gawin, kung paano po ba talaga siya ginagawa. Dahil aminin man po natin sa hindi, talagang yung isang oras po na kada session is kulang talaga para po matutunan natin lahat. Kaya yun, kailangan po talagang ulit-ulitin. And isa po talaga doon sa mga pinaka-struggles ko ay nung nagsimula na po yung session 4, 5, at 6. Dahil po yung nagkaroon po ako ng conflict sa time ng Tuesday at actually yung buong weekdays from 6. So, pero salamat pa rin kasi at least naihahabol ko siya. And then yung isa talaga sa mga yung week 6 na hindi talaga ako nagkaroon ng idea kung ano yung gagawin. Talagang hinanap ko sa YouTube yung magiging yung lesson na yun. At yun nga, yung pala application ng lahat ng natutunan. And yun nga po, yung mga banner na pinakita kanina kasunod ng mga certificates natin, ito po ay patunay na natuto tayo. Ito ay patunay na ito na, from zero to hero tayo ngayon. From zero to hero tayo, hindi nasayang yung time na ni-spend natin dito sa training na to. Hindi tayo uuwing kulelat or wala lang. Hindi tayo gagraduate nang wala tayong natutunan, kundi nandun yung talagang babaunin natin yung mga natutunan natin dito. So kumbaga po, parang isang hamon lang din po sa atin at yun din po, isang hamon din po sa akin na ipagpatuloy yung mga natutunan, patuloy na gawin. Kasi sabi nga, kapag hindi mo na ginagawa yung isang bagay na natutunan mo, darating yung time na makakalimutan mo na siya hanggang sa babalik na naman tayo doon sa basics. And isa din po sa mga pinagpapasalamat ko ay yung na-apply ko yung mga natutunan ko dito sa Photoshop sa trabaho, sa full-time work ko, at saka rin din sa part-time as online professionals. Kaya po, very grateful po ako dito po sa training na to. Hindi na lang Canva, hindi na lang Canva yung alam kong gamitin. Na natutunan ko din sa PAPS ko nung unang training ng mga online professionals. Yan, may panibago. Photoshop naman. And I think, katulad din ng sinasabi ng iba, mga nabasa ko dun sa mga testimony nila, we look forward for more from PAPS ko. Nagpapasalamat po kami kay Sir Mark sa pag-train po sa amin, sa PAPS ko Academy, sa buong team po ng PAPS ko, sa Education Committee. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And we hope na marami pa po kayong mga online professionals and mga taong matulungan when it comes to their career as an online professionals.
All right. Okay. All right. So thank you very much, Sir Van Emerson Tiope. Okay. So thank you very much. And now let's keep the momentum going. Let me just call on one of the graduates to share another experiences or personal experiences and stories that she experienced here in this particular Photoshop training. Let me just call on Sydney Vanessa Lontok Datu. Hello, Sydney. Can you hear us? Come on, let's give her a round of applause or virtual reaction of virtual clap on our Zoom. Let's use the purpose of this one. Sydney, can you hear me? Okay, yes, can you hear me? Go ahead po.
Hello po, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Sir
Good
Mark,
evening.
Sir Dennis, Miss Roch, Miss Angelique, and sa lahat po ng nanonood sa FB Live. And also to my co-participants in this training. Ayan. So, yung pong training na to, hindi ko po ini-expect na mapipili ako as a participant. Kasi po, late na po ako nag-fill out ng form kasi po I'm torn between kaya ko ba yung training kasi nga po zero knowledge talaga ako when it comes to Photoshop, as in hindi ako nanonood sa YouTube or kahit wala po talaga akong alam. So ayun po, pero nanaig po naman yung kagustuhan ko na matuto, kaya po nag-fill up ako ng form. Tapos po, yung first task, na-amaze po talaga ako doon kasi ang galing. Ang bilis po napawala ng giraffe. Grabe. Amaze ako doon. Tapos po, nawala yung giraffe pero hindi halata. Tapos po yon, nag-enjoy na po ako na gumawa ng mga task. Ginawa ko po yun kahit napaka-time consuming niya kasi nga po wala akong alam. Kahit po yung mga layers, wala po akong alam na gano'n. Tapos po, yun po, nag-enjoy na ako to accomplish all the tasks and submit all the tasks before the deadline. Tapos po, sabi ko nga po dun sa statement ko, dun sa ating Google Sheet, sabi ko po, I can now confidently use Photoshop even though I started zero knowledge. And this training is really from zero to hero. Hindi man po ako kasing expert ni Sir Mark, pero alam niyo po yun, sobrang saya ko po kasi yung accomplishment ko na nagamit ko yung Photoshop and nakapagbigay pa po ako ng para po sa akin magandang output. Kaya po ako sobrang saya po talaga. And yun po. So again, I'm very, very happy po na I was a part of this training and very grateful po kay Sir Mark and sa PAPSCO for making a time to share their knowledge with us. And that's all po. And thank you very much. Please continue po to help all the aspiring Filipino online professionals in enhancing their skills. Thank you po.
Alright, so thank you very much, Vanessa. Grabe, nakakatuwa naman, nakakataba ng puso. Okay. So, ramdam ko yung gratefulness na sinishare mo with us that you really started from zero and then you are now a hero or a Photoshop masters. So, nakakatuwa naman. So, let me just call on last but not definitely the least, Miss Aida Maria. Let me rephrase that. Miss Aida Mayra Martinez, okay, to share her experiences in this particular training. Miss Aida, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Hello po.
Yes, please. You may take the presenter's mic. Go ahead.
Yeah, good evening po sa lahat ng mga viewers natin sa Facebook at sa lahat ng mga co-participants ko po dito po sa training. And kay Sir Mark, sa inyo Sir Dennis, kay Ma'am Rosh, and sa lahat na po. So yun, about this training po, nung una ko siyang marinig na magkakaroon ng training sa FAPSCO about Adobe Photoshop, talagang sinabi ko sa sarili ko na sasali ako dito, hindi ako papayag na hindi ako makasali dito. Kasi especially po nung turn na sinend na talaga yung link ng application form, inuna ko pa talaga siyang fill upan bago ako mag-thank you kay Sir Mark for sending the link. Kasi I'm so eager talaga to learn. When I first heard about the Adobe Photoshop, it's way back 2004 pa po when I was working as admin staff in Makati with a group of graphic artists and web designers. So parang na-amaze ako sa ginagawa nila and then sabi ko gusto ko talagang matutunan yon. But unfortunately, hindi po ako nagkaroon ng time para mag-aral ng Adobe Photoshop. So yun. So as time goes by, hindi pa rin naman nawawala sa isip ko si Photoshop. Parang sabi ko pag nakakakita ako ng magagandang photos or ng mga graphic design, the first thing na pumapasok talaga sa isip ko is, Photoshop to, ganon. So, to make the story short, so yun, eto na nga, at long last, natutunan ko na po si Adobe Photoshop. Medyo mahaba yung journey for us to cross our paths again. But still, natutunan ko pa rin po siya and I'm so thankful po for being a part of this training, especially at first sa digital jobs training, which leads me to know about FAPSCO. So thank you so much, FAPSCO, Sir Mark, Sir Dennis, and the Education Committee for this wonderful opportunity na binigay niyo po para sa amin And then at first yung mga task, very challenging po talaga siya. Parang, alam mo yung feeling ng, paano ko ba gagawin to? Parang nagpupuyat po talaga. And then, kasi syempre, zero knowledge nga po talaga. Kasi hindi ko pa talaga alam lahat ng gagawin ko. Paano ko ba gagawin to? Pero yung challenge na yun yung parang nag-impart sa akin para ituloy ko. And then, para mas matuto. At saka, syempre, yung feeling ng fulfillment na pag natapos mo yung task, iba. Tsaka parang proud ka sa sarili mo na, kaya ko pala. Yung to the point na yung mga task ko po, sinishare ko pa sa family ko, sa mga kapatid ko. O talaga, tingnan nyo yung ginawa ko, ganito, marunong na ako. Tapos sabi ko, baka gusto nyo magpa-edit, ganyan. So, yun, para talagang, actually, yung last post ko nung sa FB nito lang, recently lang, may ginawa ko doon, pinotoshop. Sabi kasi na ko, Mami, photoshop mo naman tong picture ko kasi may hindi ako gusto. Sabi ko, sige, akin na. So, yun, bago ko namin pinost, pinotoshop ko muna, diba? May na talaga, may output yung natutunan namin dito. Kaya I'm so thankful po talaga sa Pops ko for this great opportunity, and talagang masasabi ko na lahat ng learnings na natutunan ko dito ay magagamit ko for my online career. And even at this age, I can say na there's still a lot of opportunity to grow. Just keeps on learning, believing, and never stop dreaming. And also find a support group that will help you in achieving your goals. So that's it. So kahit ngayon, I'm still searching for my online career. Wala pa rin work, pero still actively searching pa rin po. I believe na I'm still on the right path na, knowing that I'm a part of this community. So that's it po, and thank you.
Wow! All right. So thank you very much for sharing your stories, guys. And nakakatuwa, nakaka-relate ako doon sa... Let me just get my timer kasi may timer talaga ako. Tumutunog siya. Okay, ganyan talaga pag live. Wait na po. Alright, so siya na. So let's keep the momentum going. So as I've said, we had the success stories of our graduates. So, nakarelate ako dun sa sinasabi na ilang beses na panood yung YouTube para lang makuha talaga kung ano yung task. And then, si Miss Sydney at saka si Miss Aida, talagang they really started from zero knowledge. And then, as in ngayon, they can say that they can consider themselves as Photoshop masters na going to it. All right. So, thank you very much. And of course, let's keep this momentum. And of course, this Photoshop mastery wouldn't be possible without the help and the initiative of your trainer. So please, let's give a round of applause or virtual clap to our trainer, Sir Mark Ismana. We're going to recognize and welcome his effort for this particular webinar. So let me just share my screen. Bear with me. Medyo mahina ang aking, okay, access screen. Okay, makakapag-share ako. Desktop. Of course, dapat din natin i-appreciate yung effort na ginawa and the initiative na binigay sa atin, Sir Ismana. Okay, this certificate of appreciation is hereby awarded to Mark Salinas Ismana for being the resource person on the 6-part webinar session entitled Photoshop Mastery from Zero to Hero, initiated by the Filipino Online Professional Service Cooperative, specifically FAPSCO Academy, held on from June 24 to August 5. Signed by our FAPSCO chairperson, Rochelle Rivera de Ocampo, and of course, yours truly, FAPSCO Academy Administrator, Dennis B. Pagyo, in behalf of Education Committee. Hello, Sir Mark, can you hear me?
Yes, Sir Dennis.
Okay, let me just stop my screen sharing. Yeah. Please take a moment, sir, and take pride to really thank, because we really are thankful with this particular training that you have given to us. Speech naman dyan, sir. Short message for the graduate.
So, unang-una, sobrang thankful and napaka-proud ako. You don't know how proud I am. So, kung nakikita ko yung mga output nyo, no? Kung isa pag nag-check ako, talagang, wow, napapawaw ako kasi in-imagine ko talaga na yung iba talagang zero knowledge. So, nakita ko yung output nyo na nagawa nila yung ganito. So, yung una, nag-ano pa ako nung ginagawa ko yung buong course. So, dinevelop ko yung course, dinevelop ko yung content, yung design. So, iniisip ko talaga kung ano yung tinetailor ko, so kung ano yung kailangan nyo, yung masusundan nyo. And natutuwa ako na nasundan nyo naman siya sa lahat. Ayun nga, very thankful ako sa team ng FAPSCO Academy, Sir Den, si Jelik, Ate Cha, si Miss Ross na supportive sa atin, at saka yung buong FAPSCO community rin natin. So, sana wag tayo tumigil dito at ganun to naman talaga dapat eh. Kailangan mag-continue ka lang mag-upskill. And sana, hindi natin mapapromise pero try natin, baka meron pang kasunod. So, yun. And nga pala, invite ko kayo dahil nga kayo, I can call you now, Photoshop Master na as early as now eh. So, ini-invite ko kayo sa ating Photoshop competition. So, sana lahat kayo makita natin doon sa Photoshop competition natin na yun. And I can see na qualified kayo doon sa project natin na yun. So, nawala ata si Sir Dens.
I'm here.
Ayun. Okay na. Okay na ako, Sir Dens. Thank you.
All right. So, thank you very much, Sir Mark. So, thank you for that message, or very short message, sir. We're expecting na habaan pa, but then we really have a short time for this. So it's a time check, 10 minutes before 7. So in behalf of the Education Committee, and we are now on our end of the program, and I'll be, in behalf of the Education Committee, ako na lang pong magko-closing remark. So my question would be, what now? We are done with our training, but then we are, this is also the start of your journey as the Photoshop Masters. So, but then my question would be, what now? Because after this, ano na ba yung plano nyo? Ano na ba yung gagawin nyo? Okay? So, narinig ko kanina parang ang sabi ni Miss Aida, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung ginagawa niya. So, but then it's really up to you. Whatever your plans, don't stop. Don't stop trying. Don't stop doing, and of course, you really have to use the Photoshop. Ipagpatuloy nyo gamitin yung Photoshop kung gusto nyo talaga itong gamitin. Because it's really up to you guys kung ano ba talaga yung plano nyo sa Photoshop na ito. Because, yes, the truth is, it's in your hand now to decide kung ano yung gusto nyong gawin sa inyong skills na nakuha. Because this is already an added skills to your, as your personal skills na pwede nyong ipagmayabang. Okay, what is important is you really conquered something in yourself. Yung mga nakuha nyo na mga, yung completion of your task is not really the completion na nagawa nyo sa exercises or tasks. It's really you conquered something about yourself. Sarili nyo yung ano dyan eh. Sarili nyo yung napatunayan nyo sa sarili nyo na you did something good and great. Okay? So you gain some self-confidence, and especially when it comes to graphic designing. Kasi nga si Photoshop is really part of graphic design. And of course, the photo manipulation. Kaya nyo nang gumawa at saka kaya nyo nang gawin yun. Kasi nga, you really have the basic and the good foundation of the Photoshop. Alright? So I guess, in behalf of the FAPSCO Academy, we, the FAPSCO Academy, is really inspired with the vision and mission of the DICT. Ginagawa namin to because the mission of the FAPSCO is in line with the DICT. We are just paying it forward. But then specifically, we are imparting, sharing, and giving opportunities and chances for all of the FAPSCO members. Kaya mag-member na kayo sa FAPSCO. All right? So, always do something for the first time. Yung hindi nyo pa nagagawa and then you are uncovering or discovering something na gusto nyo pang gawin sa sarili nyo at hindi nyo pa na-try, then I guess you really have to try something na hindi nyo pa nagagawa. Okay? So, congratulations, graduates. And let me just pause for a while because we're going to take a photo. Please open your cameras. para naman meron tayong souvenir for this particular training. Okay, so ako na lang po mag-screenshot and then we're going to send this particular screenshot sa ating Facebook group. And by the way, in behalf of the FAPSCO Academy, we have an upcoming webinars when it comes to financial literacy, real estate virtual assistance. So I'm asking you and I'm looking forward na maka-join ulit kayo. And English proficiency, magkakaroon tayo niyan. And of course, the needed technicalities and connectivity when it comes to freelancing. Meron tayong mga upcoming webinars for free if you are a FAPSCO member. And then, mangyayari yan, lahat ng training na yan in this September 2020, within the month of September 2020. All right, so on the count of 3, please hold your smile kasi mag-screenshot tayo as our souvenir for this particular graduation. 3, 2, 1. Hold on, 2 pages to. Okay, we're done. One, isa pa, pangalawang page po.
Hindi naman naka-open yung cam nila.
Wait lang, sino ba hindi pa? Please
open your cams. Andaya nyo.
Come on. Okay, one more.
Mark, hindi rin kita nakikita, Mark. Elaine.
One more.
Manalo. Nagtawag na ako.
Nagtawag na na.
Angelique.
Nandito kami, Miss Rose.
Kompleto naman, Miss Rose. Baka sa ano malang. Okay. One more time. For the second page. Kasi 2 pages po sa akin. Okay. Please hold your camera. Not hold your camera, but hold your smile. 3, 2, 1. All right, okay na po. So, okay, thank you very much. In behalf of the FAPSCO Academy and the Education Committee, this officially ends our graduation ceremony and we are looking forward that you are going to join the Education Committee when it comes to free webinars kasi marami na po tayo nakahanda na naka-line up in this month of September. Congratulations, graduates, and mabuhay po tayong lahat. Maraming salamat. Thank you, guys. And for your certificate,
everyone.
Isi-send na lang sa mga emails niyo po. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Congrats, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.